Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we will be seeing the topic how to reduce the attachment with worldly things. We will be seeing the example of a bird. A bird, when he is resting on its nest in the branches of a tree, it has taken the firm shelter of that tree itself. It has firm faith in that tree, in that branch of the tree. For the bird, for that particular bird and his family, there is none other than that particular branch. His whole world exists around that particular branch. But when that woodcutter comes and cuts the branch of the tree, he gets mesmerized. His whole world is being dropped and cancelled, and he thinks where to go. But during the stay in on that particular branch, the bird itself has developed their wings. Bird is very intelligent. They have developed their wings so that when the branch is cut, when the only material worldly attachment to that particular branch is cut, they are ready to fly up. They are ready to fly high from that branch and move on to the next one. So the secret of the advancement of the bird is to get ready, to get uplifted by taking shelter of some higher things. Similarly, in our life also, we get attached to many worldly things. Many things are actually important also to get continuing in our life, like money, buildings, car, and many things other also are various importance in our life, so that we can leave this world peacefully, live in this world very nicely, without much hesitation and without much discomfort. But while living in this world, while living amidst such attachments, we have to develop our much higher taste also. Like the bird has developed its wings, he has nourished its wings. Similarly, we also have to nourish our wings of spiritual taste. We have to increase our spiritual taste. We have to take shelter of some permanent things. Like the bird has taken shelter on its wings around, so that after the branch is cut, it can fly to some other place. Similarly, we also have to take shelter to the permanent thing, which is none other than Krishna, the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When we develop taste in chanting of the holy name, attachment to these worldly things will all automatically slow down, because all the worldly things are temporary. It will go down and it will vanish somewhere or the other. It is today, but it may not be tomorrow. But the holy name and the Krishna and the Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the permanent thing, is the message of the Lord to all of us. So we have to contemplate and take our permanent shelter in this thing, holy name. Example, Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj was cursed by Shringi Rishi. In 7 days he will die. If we also get a news that, oh, you are suffering from some disease and in 7 days you will die. So have we developed our such higher taste like Parikshit Maharaj developed in hearing Srimad Bhagavatam? He had no other tensions. He just left the world and went to the bank of the Ganges and started hearing Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. He was not lamenting of the loss of the world, loss of the material worldly things. So we have to also rise from it and come up to the shelter of Lord, lotus feet of the Lord, And when we firmly take shelter of the only permanent thing, that is Krishna, that is the lotus feet of Krishna, the holy name of Krishna, then we can rise above the temporary, material, worldly attachments. Hare Krishna.